Hi guys, my name is Shrikar and here is my brother Shrihan.
Hello guys.
This is our grandfather. This is our grandfather field. It's a rice field. Because of the sun, it's all dried up, guys. See, and it's 4 acres. Till there, it's ours. So, and there are so much tractors, guys. See, I'll show you more. Guys, see, guys, how we should walk without any shoes. It's very painful, guys.
Not walk guys in these fields.
See, guys, how many tractors are there?
These are green tractors.
There is one blue tractor, guys, here. See, guys, how much power. And there is a house right there. Crazy. In the farm is there a house. It's very crazy. And if you zoom there, it's a rice mill. We will take the grains from here and farm them, and it will become a rice. See, guys, how big the rice farm is.
Come on, brah.
See,
Go
he is
to
saying.
our mom.
Okay, no. I will show guys some more. This is 4 acres, guys. And if you don't, no, we have to don't walk on this. See, guys.
Have to walk on these. These are smooth.
Guys, see, guys, how much I will zoom. See, guys, how much far it's going. This is very much far, guys. This all is my father's. Guys, and I will show you some more. Come on.
It's so painful.
And guys, this is more, guys. This is all ours. See, guys, that's all ours only, guys. Okay, guys, come. We will show the farm back. We will show the back farm, guys. It's so painful here. See, guys, till there is all of us. I will show the side land for you. See, guys, this is the side land. Okay, guys, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. This is part 2 of my grandfather's field. Here is my brother. Hi. Now they will start the tractors, guys. See, guys, one
First is the blue one, guys.
The blue one is going, the green one is going. The tractors are gone. Tractor stop there.
Hey, go. Green tractor has come.
Green tractor is coming back, guys. I don't know why they're saying to stop, but go.
గిలాస్ దగ్గర వాడే దిక్క పట్టుకో అటు వాడేది మా గుంటలో వాడేది పట్టుకోను
ఇదంతా ఆడిపోయింది నాని మీకు దూరం ఉంటుంది నాన్న
Guys, this is part 2 of my grandfather's field, guys. Here is my brother. Hi. Guys, today the tractors are going, guys. See, guys.
సాధ్య పొలం మన పొలంలో ట్రాక్టర్ తిరిగి అని తెలియాలి
Tractors are going, guys. See, guys, there also one tractor is gone. See, guys, how they are doing. There is lot of smoke coming. And there also, guys, blue tractor. See, guys. This here is another tractor, guys. Guys, it's very hard. Guys, see, guys, a tractor is start is started, guys. There's another tractor is starting. Come on, bro.
Nanu, it's a plowing.
I'm Shrikar and this is my brother. Hi, guys. This is my grandfather's farm factory, guys. Now all the tractors are started. See, guys, there is blue tractor and all are green tractors still there, guys. It's very dusty, guys. See, there was one more tractor right there, and there is another tractor and there. See, guys, how much they are doing. See, guys, you don't remember this all because they all came and did it all, and that tractor is almost stuck, guys. See how it's going. It's actually stuck, guys. See, guys, how it's going. Okay, guys, bye bye. Like and subscribe. By the way. Hi guys, it's me Shrikar and this is Shrihan. We are going to be in a tractor. My mother going to take video.
डबल है क्या
Hey guys, my grandmother.
Tatya will come now. Tatya making circles. తాతయ్య భయపడుతున్నాడు.